So, I'm going to try to do this video without a lot of talking, but you need some explanation as to what we're doing. I have a broke Archer ripping chain. This is the first one I ordered. I bought a second to replace it when I broke it at first. And the one that broke has broken twice, and the drive links are breaking. The teeth are well tempered. You notice right there, made in China. The second one I bought does not say that, but I'm sure that it is made in China. But anyway, I had a wore out Oregon chain. Some of you still might use that, but the cutters are tiny. They're really small. So I removed the driver. I ground the rivet and drive it out. Remove the driver. That's what's breaking on the Archer chain. And I use tie straps to repair them. And we're not going to use a spinner. We're going to use a piece of railroad track and maybe a felon wedge, a steel felon wedge to do this. I've done this several times. So here we go. Going to be a lot of talking. I'm going to remove this driver first, and then I'll remove the damaged driver on the Archer chain, and we'll put it back together. Here we go. There's a hole in this piece of railroad track where it is nailed to the railroad tie. I'm going to use a punch and hopefully knock that rivet out through that hole. There's our drive link, a little hot. Oregon chain.